It goes as a combo for those who come here for the first time.
Usebenzisa kanje leswayo.
This is how you use this material.
Uqala ngaleli khamba.
You start with the herb.
Ulifake entweni ofutha ngayo.
You are going to put it in your boiling water.
Mhlawumbe kwasho ziyakhulunyiswa.
You must speak to my materials.
Asikho isilwane la.
There's no animal here.
Umthandazo.
It's just a prayer.
Akunaso isilwane.
There is no animal.
Ufake lapha.
You put it there.
Lesoqala uqala ngalesi.
You start with this one. And the combo.
Ufutha ukhuluma yonke into
You
oyifunayo.
steam and you speak
3
everything
days.
for 3
3 days
days.
na for 3 days.
For 3 days.
Ufutha. Uma uqeda
When
ukufutha
you're done steaming,
uthatha lesi
you take this one.
leso usifake emanzini
You put it in the water.
ugeze umzimba wonke.
You bath
Awuphela njalo ukufutha.
After
Lesi
steaming,
sokugeza kuphela
this
lesi.
one is for bathing.
Uyakhuluma futhi.
You speak as well.
Uyacela ugeze ngacela inani.
I'm asking this and that.
For 3 days.
Matsatia Mahara.
Awugeza uzogeza ngale nsipho.
You're also going to take the soap and
Le
bath
nsipho
with it.
inekhambi elithile.
It's got a certain herb.
Uyageza ngayo
You bath with it.
insipho.
The soap.
3 days njalo.
All 3
Uqeda
days.
kulesi 3 days kulesi
After 3 days
esikhambi.
with the herb,
Uqeda i3 days la.
after 3 days here,
Usubuyela kulesi for 3 days
you go
uyafutha
back to
futhi.
this, you steam for 3 days as well.
3 days uyafutha futhi.
You
3
steam
days.
again for 3 days.
Noma singakapheli lesi.
Even this one is not
3
finished.
days la mawuqeda 3 days ubuya
After 3 days, you come back to the black one.
3 days nakhona
3 days as
uyageza
well, you
ngesalt insipho.
Salt and the soap.
Uma usuyiqedile-ke leyo 3 days
When
3
you're done
days
with the 3 days,
usuyashintsha-shintsha-ke manje.
now you start changing around.
Usufutha ngapha
Steam this side,
usubuya ngapha futhi
you come back
uyafutha.
this side.
Uma siphela
When
lesi
it's done,
usuyasithola one.
you can get it
Mawuhoda
each.
sekho lesi uyasithola lapha
You can get it
lokhu
there
uqhubeka
each.
naso.
Carry on with it.
Lokhu ucela
Keep asking.
asimi uyaqhubeka naso.
You carry on with it.
Siphethe-ke ile combo le
It's got this combo.
iphethe izinto eziwu-4
It's got 4 things inside.
siwu-350.
That's 350
So
rand.
bese khona lapho emfuzini etholakala
It's going to be there in Vunzini Solagash.
ngomhla ka-3 ekhaya
On the 3rd at home.
ngomhla ka-3
On the 3rd
zika-October
of October.
bantu basemondlo
People
Friday
of
zonke indawo
Friday, all places.
KwaZulu-Natal
KwaZulu-Natal.
sekhaya phela kuyobonga iziqu
I'm going to be at home being grateful for
ukuthi kuhlonishwe
certificates
isikole
that I was honored by a school
sase-Maritzburg
of Marisburg
esaziwa kakhulu
that is known a lot.
sahlonipha ngisho ubaba unyazi lwesu
It honored Father
isona
Nyazlezu.
esagqokisa unyazi
That's the one that honored Nyazlezu.
nami iy'khulu futhi eziningi
Even people
ezaziwayo zigqokisele
that
isikole
are known.
sisebenzisana nesikole saphesheya eCalifornia
And also works with the school in USA,
zobe
California.
ngiyobonga-ke
I'm going to be grateful.
emadlozini kwaXaba
The ancestors
ngoba
of
indaba
God.
ayipheli la
The thing does not end here.
lapha ngigqokelela nabona
I've been
sekumele manje
honored.
nogqoka omkhulu babone
I need to be honored.
ngaphakathi
My
izandla
grandfathers
ngesizwe
must see.
sikamoya siyabonga
We are
indodana
grateful.
umzukulu
Our
angithi
grandson.
njalo
Isn't it so?
mhla ka-3
On the 3rd,
so qala ukubhalisa abahambayo
we are going to start booking for those who are going.
ngesonto
On Sunday,
unyawo lwakho
your foot
luyazibhaqana
knows other homestead.
ingelosi yakho
Your angel
isiyarejista
is registered.
siyathola ngithi ababoni
Your seed
uma
leads.
ehola ibala
When they leave the
bahlale
service,
baye lapha azinze khona ekhaya
they also go home.
kuzokuthiwa bonke basekhaya
All of them are home.
bawulanda ingelosi ekhaya
They are going to fetch an angel at home of God.
mhla
On the
ka-3
3rd,
futhi mhla ka-2 amabhasi ayophuma la
the second buses will be leaving here,
abheke ekhaya
going home.
lapha kuyobe kuhlatshiwe niyazi-ke nasi
You know,
ukuthi kusuke kufinwa ngendololwane
we're always having a great
amaqhawe
time.
onke azobe ekwaXaba
All of our power will be at our
sobuya
homestead.
ngesonto ekuseni
We'll come back on Sunday morning.
ngo-10 amabhasi ayaphuma lekhaya
10 o'clock in the morning, buses
senzela
will be leaving.
abasebenzayo
For those who are working,
kuzoba-ke nenkonzo
I
yakekhaya
have a service here at home.
nansi ingubo
Here is a cloth.
kuzethulwa ingubo
We are
yokuphila
going to tear off the
ngizobe
jacket of
ngidabula
darkness.
lengubo le
I'll be tearing
uma ngidabula mntanami
When I tear it off,
izosuka lengubo ibumnyama
the dark blanket will be removed.
abaphathisa yona
Then they're making you
ngizoba
carry.
nenkonzo yesibhani
I'm going to have a service of candles
ebusuku ntambama kusuka
in the
ngo-6
evening from 6 p.m.
ngesabatha
on
ngo-6
Saturday,
ntambama
6 p.m.
until to 10 ebusuku
until 10 p.m.
inkonzo yokulanda kweyibani
The service tonight of
lapho
candles
ngilayitela isibani
will be lit
yobe
candles,
ithandazelwa
will be prayed for.
ikhandlela uyolithola khona
You'll
sebusisini
find a candle already there.
abaphumele bonke abantu
May people all come out
mhlaka 3
on the 3rd
and 4
and the 4th.
ngesunday
On Sunday,
Sunday sesiyabuya
we come back
sesele
here.
enqabeni
Coming back to
yobe
your
kuvaliwe la ekhaya
will be closed at home.
ngomhlaka 4
On the
sobe
4th.
singekho
We won't
sobe
be here.
sekhawaqhaba inkosi inkosisi
God bless you.
yobe kuphethe zonke iwasho
And we having all
zonke
products.
insebenzo
All products
zobe itholakala
will be found.
ngiyabonga
Thank you.
inkosi ayibe nayo
May
shayisho
God be with you. Shakabatso.